Why won't the lift do anything when I push the up or down buttons? This wheelchair lift is equipped with a number of safety features that will prevent the lift from running up or down. If the lift is a portable model, make sure that the wheels have been removed and that the lift base is sitting on the ground, as the lift will not operate normally with its casters on. See the setup procedure for instructions on how to remove the casters. If the lift is a portable model, ensure the lift is connected to power and that the inline GFCI has a green light on. This indicates that power is being supplied to the lift. If the light is not on, try pressing the reset button. If the lift is equipped with a manual disconnect, ensure that the disconnect is in the on position, allowing power to be supplied to the lift. Next, ensure that the on-off switch behind the lock access panel on the left-hand side of the lift is in the on position. Push and reset the red emergency stop button to ensure that it is not actuated. The lift will not run up or down while the switch is pressed. Check to make sure that both gates are completely closed. The lift will not run if it senses that one or both of the gates are open. If the lift thinks that a gate is open, it can be because the gate is physically open, or it could be because a gate switch is not getting actuated properly. See the end of this section for a brief description on where the gate switches are located and how they work. If the problem is still not resolved after performing these basic troubleshooting steps, contact Ascension or your lift servicing company for troubleshooting assistance. The following provides a brief description on where the gate switches are located and how they work. The Virtuoso lower landing gate has a push-button switch just below the lower of the two gate hinges that must be pressed for the lift to think that the gate is closed. Within the first 2 inches of upward travel, 2 metal interlocks, or swords, will extend from the edge of the gate and into the car frame, locking the door. The top sword will need to actuate the switch just inside the cutout in the car frame for the lift to think that the lower landing gate is locked. The Virtuoso upper platform gate has a switch located near the bottom of the gate hinge that must be pressed for the lift to think that the upper platform gate is closed. This door does not lock. For fixed lifts with an upper landing gate, there is a magnetic switch about halfway up the strike post that must be actuated by the strike plate assembly for the lift to think that the gate is closed. There is also an interlock assembly in the bottom of the gate on the strike side, which must extend and actuate a switch in the bottom of the strike post for the lift to think that the gate is locked. If you still have any questions or concerns after watching this video, feel free to contact Ascension for further assistance.